we also deliver brand items, brand assets. It's a full-fledged DAM solution where you can, well, you can take any asset, images, video, and others. You can enrich them with context. Context, well, we call it context, but you might know it as metadata. Metadata is where it belongs, what it is associated with. So extra fields, fields like you can use this for this brand. We have, of course, let's use the word AI tagging to make sure that all of those tags visually are incorporated into the system. And you can also connect it with other systems that you might have, PIM solutions, other ERP systems, whatever extra data that is living within your company, so that the data we have in the DAM solution can be enriched as well. We have a lot of customers that connect so that product information, marketing texts, prices, promotions, for example, can all be added directly to those assets. And while you've been able to, the brand to have it explained to you, and you have the possibility to download all of those assets, you of course also have the possibility to start working with the brand your own. And this is where the power of Chili, of course, comes in. The process is very straightforward. In Chili, you decide what the template needs to look like, what the logic is behind it. You may create one or more workflows, workflows that decides which person within the company can do what with a specific template. And you can also define output formats. Formats, one file, multiple files, DPI, PDF standards, margins, bleeding marks, whatever. That is something that you configure in Chili. Then, when that is configured, you can go to Kadanza itself, and you can create a new template. You connect it to the Chili template. You connect your workspaces to it. Depending on the user groups, how you've logged in, you can decide what you can see and what you can do. And you can also add export formats based on privileges and workflows. For example, if I create something, I hope somebody else approves it and reads it before I put it outside of the world. But that's something that you can completely decide, of course. The process is, in that matter for the end user, quite easy. You can create pages with multiple templates on top of it. You can create pages with only one template, add a little bit of information to it, and what they can do is they can click on create a new document. The document gets created, gets added to the list, and when they're done working on it, they can download it directly, or they can send it to somewhere else.